A chance encounter at a historic church involved the discovery of a hidden paradise garden in the midst of urban sprawl. I was in East London recently when I saw St Barnabas Church in Homerton hove into view. The church was built in the mid-19th century to serve the growing population of Homerton as London expanded during the Victorian period. It was constructed between 1846 and 1849 and designed by the architect Edward Blore, who was also known for his work on Buckingham Palace. The church was established as a daughter church of the wider parish of Hackney to meet the needs of local residents, many of whom were involved in industry and trade during rapid urban development. The building is recognised for its Gothic revival style, which was popular in Victorian ecclesiastical architecture. Over time, the church has played an important role, adapting to rapid social changes in East London. But what I saw was not traditional worship inside the church, it was the veneration of the verdant in its beautiful graveyard and grounds. Around the headstones and walls was a fabulous display of horticulture that is the work of the Core Arts Community Garden. It was absolutely uplifting to see.
It's amazing the sights you see, because here I am about 2 minutes walk from that churchyard, and you can see it's a sort of busy East London street. There's a little green space here that I'm in, but you wouldn't expect to see a sort of garden like that if you were just walking down the street here. So yeah, it's a great little initiative, I think.
The scheme certainly gets 2 thumbs up from me. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.